I am in the Agricultural and Natural Resources section of the Extension in Fulton County. And we're able to kind of focus on both homeowners and growers that live in the county. We bring education in regards to things like vegetable growing, landscaping, ornamentals, but then we also provide support for like small urban farms that are growing and working out partnerships where they're able to work with kind of other community builders that are also interested in agriculture in the county. A lot of people have heard about growing vegetables in their containers, but they don't necessarily know, what you kind of need to start growing your vegetables. So the goal of this program is to go through the basics or the requirements of what you need to set up to successfully grow vegetables within like a small space. In Fulton County, we're kind of going more towards like urban development, so a lot more houses are being built, and so that means that these houses don't have yard space. There's more like balconies, or the houses are really close together. And so it's important to me that people know that even though you don't have a yard, that you're able to still grow these fruits and vegetables, whether you have a sunny spot inside your house or you have, a balcony that receives full sun, you're still able to grow these fruits and vegetables. So we have a UGA Fulton County website that has publications and all of the information that you kind of need to learn about anything agriculture related.